In this program, we have seen that we are all engaged in a war against different kinds of enemies, including tiny bacteria and even smaller viruses.
Against these enemies, we have a variety of defenses, including our skin, mucus and cilia in our respiratory passages, and gastric juice in our stomachs.
And backing up these defenders is the body's immune system, which includes special white blood cells called phagocytes that eat invaders, and other white blood cells called lymphocytes that manufacture protective antibodies that latch onto germs and make them harmless.
We've seen how medical science can work with the immune system. Because of vaccines, diseases like polio are no longer the serious threat they once were. Because of antibiotics, many bacterial infections can now be controlled.
We've also seen how allergies result when the immune system overreacts to something like pollen that gets inside our bodies, and how sometimes the immune system attacks the cells of its own body. And finally, we saw how AIDS has become a deadly threat by weakening the immune system itself, making a victim more susceptible to other diseases.
But AIDS is an exception. For most of the time, the body succeeds in protecting us and keeping us healthy. Most of the time, the body is victorious in its battles against disease.